Okay, this is a 4-layer, 4-color sign with some pretty neat features. The back layer 1 is white with a keyhole on the balance point for a 2-penny box nail. Layer 2 is the red, but it's white with puzzle piece inserts. And those are these 2 yellow marks and the dropouts in the A's and the O's. And they're connected together somewhat so that you have a place to hang them when you paint them. And layer 3 is yellow and white, and it has 1, 2, 3 puzzle pieces, which are this red hand and these 2 white areas. And they can't be connected together, so they have these little hanger holes on them so you can hang them to paint them. And the top layer is blue. The white is stacked on layer 1, 2, and 3 to support these thin blue parts. And there's no bridging on the top layer because the dropouts are cut out of the lower layers. And on these puzzle pieces, the layer over them overhangs and hides those cuts on that other layer. So rather than cutting those puzzle pieces separate, you can cut that with one cut and paint the dropout, and the pierce point will be hidden. But if you use lead ends, you have to be careful where you put them. Like over here, you don't have much room to put a lead end to be hidden behind the blue. But in the end, that would save you a lot of metal to not cut all these puzzle pieces separately. You could just make one cut and paint the dropout. So I think that's pretty neat, getting this sign to look exactly like it's supposed to, with only 4 layers and 4 colors and no bridges, and all the thin parts are fully supported, and that white border makes it really stand out. And it even has a keyhole hanger on the balance point. And it's curve tested and ultra ready to cut because it is SignTorch Vector Graphics. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.